Hello friends, hope you all is fine. Yes guys, in this video I will give you a news about beautiful Turkish actor Yağmur. Yes guys, Yağmur enjoy his holiday in Azerbaijan. She enjoy with her fiancé. She share pictures and video of beautiful place in Azerbaijan. Yes guys, Yağmur look very beautiful in this picture. Yağmur share a beautiful pictures of some beautiful place and events with her fiancé. Yağmur enjoy her holidays in Azerbaijan. While visiting a beautiful place, he shared some beautiful pictures from different places in Azerbaijan. He promoted the Azerbaijan beauty in her trip. Yes guys, if you like this video, please guys subscribe my channel. Thank you.